to my channel. This is Prioritising Thakur. On demand from the audience, I have chosen the topic first aid. First aid, by definition, it is the immediate care given to a casualty prior to the arrival of qualified medical assistance. Here the word you have to pay attention, the immediate care. As a first aider, you are authorized for the care, to the given care, that is immediate given care. It's not that you are advising medicine, or you are not authorized to ask them for the medicine, because you are not knowing which casualties are allergen for which medicines. So your role are, just to remember that your role, there are 3 P. First is preserve the life, second is protect the condition from worsening, and the third one is promote a recovery. As far as responsibility is your concern, your responsibility is first ensure the equipment being used is fit for the purpose. Then after ensuring this, you take the charge of the scene, you understand the what happened and take the control of the situation. Third one is contact to the emergency services, and then prioritize to the casualties. After prioritizing, clear up the scene so that there should not be any chaos. And the last one is report to the immediate officer who is in charge, or the public authority, or anyone which is to be known right now, and then record it in your first aid logbook. So how you will perform all this responsibility? So one by one you will go to that. And first one I am accessing is the accessing situation. The accessing the situation, remember the acronym CLAP. CLAP is something that starts with C. C means control the situation. As well as you are informed that there is an accident, so first control to yourself, calm down, take a deep breath, and then reach to the incident location, ask the bystanders, gather the information, make the history, and then just check. L for look for the potential hazards, that the problem, the reason for this accident has been controlled. Then the third one is assess the situation, talk to the casualties, talk to the bystanders, gather information, try to drag an history from the audience, from the bystanders, that what and how it is happening again, or it is the first time only. Then protect and prioritize to the casualties. So the second thing, when you are informing to the emergency services, remember the acronym LINE. LINE means the location, and in the era of the WhatsApp, you send them the live location where you are. Then the incident, that what was the incident, what happened, number of casualties, and then the extent of injury. Depending upon the extent of injury, they may require some special equipment. Then how to prioritize the casualties. So for the prioritization, the medical assistance or the first aider choosing the breathing is given the first priority. If there is breathing issue, prioritize them as number 1. Then second one is bleeding. Bleeding, this is the second. And the third one is bones or burns. And the fourth one, rest all. After all doing this activity, you must remember that you do not transferring infection from yourself to the casualties, as well as indeed contract or getting infection from the casualties. So whatever the open, cut, sore throats, please cover it. Use the barrier device. The second one, whatever you have weared it, when you are throwing it, wash it your hand very thoroughly wash your hands, and then if required, get a bath. So in the next video, we'll come back to the survey of the incidents. That's all. Thank you.